Well, we've been walking around and driving around and just kind of trying to familiarize ourselves with some different areas and looking at some areas we've seen. Getting some raindrops here, but we're one spot you can see out on this land. Had this great hunt this morning. You know, we both got our birds about 9:30. Oh, just trying to figure something out for in the morning. Hopefully we can find something out and get another good plan together, and maybe one of us can kill another one. We got this storm moving in right now, though, it sounds like, but we're gonna keep at it while we're here. Well, no luck on roosting a bird tonight. We're here at camp, getting settled in, gearing up for in the morning. Gonna get after them in the morning. It's gonna be windy, it's gonna be cold, it's windy tonight, but it's really bad conditions, honestly. Hopefully we can make something happen, though. Yeah. What do you say?
It's gonna bust wide open.
Bryson says it's gonna bust wide open in the morning, so we'll see.
I've come to a new spot where Nathan thought he heard a gobble 2 days ago, and got in here good and dark, and it wasn't until it got pretty good and light that this guy started gobbling. I got him to gobble one time at the hoot owl. It sounds like he's getting fired up. It's 35 degrees. I've got a little bit of high ground on him. Bluebird skies. I'll tree yelp at him here in just a minute and let him know there's somebody over here. Then I'll try to call at him. I'll try to call at him when he flies down. I'll get situated here and get ready.
Well, it's day 2 of the hunt. We don't have much to go on. A big storm blew in yesterday afternoon, and we couldn't really go around and listen and roost to birds or try to. It was just really, really windy and rainy. And the temperatures dropped out about 20 degrees from yesterday. Probably spend a lot of time here. The woods are pretty open to be trekking off through the woods and running and gunning. I'd rather have to just sit patiently and call, move a little bit at a time. But it's going to be a pretty morning. It's just pretty cold, but it's nice out here, so hopefully we can make something happen. It's day 3 of the hunt, and we got whooped this morning. Yesterday was just a total bust. It's been real cold. 29 degrees this morning. But we did roost some birds last night that didn't gobble. They flew up close to us. And I slipped in on them and got set up, and there was 2 gobblers in there. They gobbled. And as soon as they flew down, they fought. I could hear them fighting, and they just went down in the draw and slipped around me and disappeared. Hunted them all morning and nothing. You know, they quit gobbling. We had another bird gobbling close to that, but he was moving fast, covering the ground quick. Could have been a jake or something. But we about to head back to a food plot here. We just ate a little lunch. It's after 2 o'clock. Sorry. We're about to slip in here to this food plot on this public ground they've planted in here. We saw a tom track in here 2 days ago. We hadn't been in here since, hadn't heard anything. We're gonna go down here and set up a couple decoys in this food plot and do some cold calling for an hour maybe. See if we can get something to happen. One of us can get another bird maybe, so stay with us, see if we can get it going. How about the shit? Lots of fresh scratch. No luck on the food plot, so we're gonna pick up and move on. Bryson and I set up in a spot. We heard a bird Friday afternoon, the night we got here, or Friday evening. And we heard somebody hunting him that following day, the Saturday. And Bryson hunted him Sunday morning, and he gobbled a few times and slipped in the bottom, and we never saw him again. We gave him a break today. Figured we'd come in here and try to set up on him on the roost. He's roosted in the same spot 2 out of the 3 days we've been here. So we're probably not really gonna call. We're just gonna sit in here and try to pop him coming to his roost, or if he comes in and roosts in here, even in the area, hopefully he gobbles and we'll know where he is for in the morning. Got something coming.
Well, it's day 4. Haven't heard a gobble this morning. It's supposed to be real good weather today. Nathan actually has heard a gobble 3 times, and he's making a move on him. I've just come over here where there was a hot bird a couple of days ago, and I've gotten down here in a strut zone. Haven't heard a thing yet, but gonna give it a shot. Maybe something will happen.
Day 4. Just realized there's 2 birds down there gobbling. I don't think he could have double gobbled that fast, but I spent most of my morning getting around on this bird. It's still real early, but I gotta get ready because they're hot. 2 longbeards attacking the one I just shot, and they're hammering at me. Bryson, my bird is flopping, and they're gobbling at him flopping. I could shoot both of them right now. I can't move. You gotta come to me now. Dude, we're gonna get another one of these birds. Okay, they're back in strut. They're coming back to the hen. They're back in strut. Hang on a second. I messed up videoing big time, but when I killed my bird, two other longbeards were with it. They came in to attack it. And Bryson wasn't far down the road, and they were just in here gobbling and strutting still. So I called him, and he's slipping in here right now, and we're gonna try to call another one of these birds back in and double up. Stay with us and see if we can do it. On the trail, I see him. I see his beard and everything, 70 yards. I see their heads. What? What? You get him? Yes! Yes, baby. They circled us.
Look here, going around us, dude.
Oh,
Oh my God.
I hadn't even looked at my bird yet. Of course, none of that's on film, and the footage is absolutely shaky and terrible. Told you, I almost told you to sit up there.
I didn't think this was gonna work.
Man, these birds are so fired up. I was like, dude, you gotta get in here.
Oh my gosh.
You did it. You ain't been sitting here 10 minutes.
That's how you do it, man. Dude, I was literally 3/4 of a mile down the road,
Oh,
and you called me and said you had 2 longbeards.
this has been a very, very awesome public land hunt right here. I mean, I just knew those birds that were going to stay down there with that hen, but they got curious and they come up. And, oh man, that was fun stuff right there.
I think the other one and that hen may have gone down that way, down that draw, because I heard.
Was the hen
footsteps.
back with them?
I don't know. I could just hear a lot of footsteps. And I felt like they were going out to that road, and I was thinking they're about to slip into that other draw on the other side. But we kept purring and clucking super soft, and he just kept looping, and I thought for a second he just went back to the road, but then I barely heard some leaves straight behind us. And I flopped around on that tree, and about 3 seconds after that I saw his head come through one part of this.
They got around us fast. Mm-hmm. Did you shoot through that little gap right there in that thicket?
Right through there.
Oh my gosh.
It was good. It was a clear shot. He stepped right out in the trail.
Right here.
He swapped me around.
I'm gonna go get my bird now, finally. It makes so much sense. This open area, they were all strutting right here for 20 minutes probably.
Look at one, dude. Ooh. Looks like a big bird.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's got some hooks. That's a big bird.
Oh man. There he is.
gosh,
I watched
beautiful
all these
fan.
turkeys down in here with the sun hitting them, and this trail's just strutting around. I see a white head here, a white head there. And I tell you, when I realized there was 3, there was 2 right up here on me. And there was a couple times if I wasn't videoing and I was by myself, but wasn't videoing, I'd have forced a shot. But I saw a 3rd one back there come up strutting, and I thought, oh my gosh. It's been a rough few days for us. We've been running all over the hills, freezing. It's been cold. But just like that, that's what I love about turkey hunting. Within 20 minutes, everything can change.
Silly man walking up, this bird right here is a hammer.
He did look big.
It's
It's good stuff.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. So day 1, we killed 2 by 9:30. Day 2, bust. Day 3 was a bust. They were more like real life turkey hunting, what we normally have happen. And then day 4, it all turned around. We don't normally get this much time to hunt during the week, but this is a little deal. We take off work a couple days and take time away from our families, which is always tough, but we try to make the most of it while we're here, get after them. But we'll be back to work before you know it. We're gonna soak this up while we're out here though.